Hi, I'm Corey and this is Arro Social. We've been talking about what makes Arro Social different from other social media networks. Our biggest difference is that your content and data will always belong to you. Our goal is to share up to 80% of our advertising profits with our users, but another big difference is how we use blockchain technology to track and share that profit. So what is blockchain technology? A blockchain is a public ledger of information that is heavily encrypted and distributed via peer-to-peer network that sits on top of the internet. In other words, a transaction record of all Arro Social's user activities is shared anonymously and transparently across the networks of computers, instead of being held in a central location. The computers on this peer-to-peer network are called nodes. They verify, record, and secure every transaction. It's how the data on this network is stored and secured that makes blockchain technology a game changer. To better understand this, let's answer a question. Why is this called blockchain technology? Blockchain gets its name from the manner in which it stores data, namely that the information is packaged into blocks which are linked to form a chain with other blocks of similar information. The blockchain ledger has three main attributes. The first is the record. Each block contains the data it is recording, timestamps of when that information was recorded, a digital signature linked to the account that made the recording, and a unique identifying link called a hash. Think of it as a digital fingerprint to the previous blocks in the chain. It is the act of linking blocks into a chain that makes the information stored on the blockchain so trustworthy. Second, the blockchain ledger is transparent, meaning anyone can see the ledger of transactions. And third, it is decentralized, so the ledger exists on multiple computers. Remember all those computers, the nodes we talked about earlier? They each hold a copy of the entire blockchain, and each time a new transaction takes place, a new block is formed. The nodes then verify that the hashes match the previous blocks and the block is valid. Once the data is recorded in the block, it cannot be altered without having to change every block that came after it, making it impossible to do so without being seen by the other participants on the network. If someone tries to cheat the system, the nodes see it and call it a foul. Even though you can trick some nodes, you can't trick them all. As a result, each block strengthens the previous block and the security of the entire blockchain. This means more blocks would need to be changed to tamper with any information. When combined, all of these create an unstoppable storage of information, one that cannot be disputed or declared to be untrue. Companies and banks worldwide are using blockchain technologies to track supply chain and money transactions. At Arro Social, we use the same blockchain technology to track ad views and share up to 80% of our profit with our users. How that happens is what the next video is about. If you would like to keep learning about Arro Social and how to get your fair share, hit that follow or subscribe button now.